Welcome, class. Let's get dramatic. Today we're going to be talking about how to prepare for auditions. Auditions, 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 the glorious gauntlet of artistic expression. But before you can belt out that showstopper or deliver the heart-wrenching monologue, there is a bit of homework. And by a bit, I mean a mountain of creative strategizing. To help us with this, we're going to have a guest speaker, James, a professional actor who's going to tell us how he preps for auditions. Let's head out to the stage and meet him. Let's welcome James. James, will you give us a few steps of how you prepare for auditions?
Absolutely. Step 1, read the instructions. Whether it's an audition packet, a website description, or a flyer, the director wants to know one thing. Can you follow directions? Every director does things differently. Some want you to prepare one of the lists of lines. Some want you to bring your own song or monologue. If they say 32 bars, don't sing 64. If they say no props, put down the rubber chicken.
And while you're looking at the audition packet or website, make sure that you are paying attention to what type of audition you're preparing for. Are they wanting a prepared monologue and song where you produce the materials, memorize, and get it polished? A cold read where they give you the script right there and then, no time to prep? Or sides that might be on their website or in the audition packet that you prepare a day or two in advance, and that is the monologue they want to see from everybody. All right, James, what's the next step?
Choosing your weapon. For straight plays, meaning no music, that means finding the perfect monologue. You are not just picking some random speech you think is cool. You are trying to prove to the director that you can play the character you're auditioning for. This character needs to fit you and the play. If you're auditioning for a high school comedy, maybe skip the dramatic monologue about a tragedy, unless of course you can make that work for that character, which you probably can't. Pick something that showcases your acting chops, but also aligns with the kind of show and character you're trying to get cast for.
What if I'm trying to get into like an alien play? Do I need to find an alien monologue to go with it?
Okay, so maybe find a monologue about someone who feels like an alien in their own town. Go with the emotion of the character. Do you see how you can find a way to connect? For our musical theater friends, it's all about the song. Don't pick Defying Gravity if you can't hit the high notes confidently. You don't want to hold back and sound like a sleepy walrus. Find something that showcases your actual voice, in the right key and style for the character you're eyeing. Think character matchmaker. Here's the tough love truth. You need to know your vocal range and audition for parts that actually fit that range.
If you can't hit the notes Elphaba sings, you will not get the part of Elphaba.
You don't want to be devastated about something that was never actually a possibility. Manage your expectations based on your vocal reality. Now, you can always ask the director if they are allowed to transpose the song to fit your key for the show. Some companies allow it, and some absolutely do not. It never hurts to ask, but be prepared for a no.
And if you don't know your vocal range, no problem. My website linked below has the tools you need to figure out your range and understand tricky terms like what is 32 bars. You can also find this list of songs organized by the emotion to kick off your search and a few additional links that can guide you through auditions.
And of course, remember to consider the character you're eyeing. Think character matchmaker. Inject some life into it. This isn't just a reading, it's what we do, acting. Add those character inflections, those subtle movements. Remember us talking about intentionally choosing a character for this audition to prove we could play the part we are auditioning for? Don't just recite, embody. Think about why your character moves the way they do, why their voice cracks at that one moment. It's storytelling with your whole being.
Sun'll come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun.
While you're becoming a theatrical genius, don't forget your resume and headshot. Make sure your resume is up to date, professional, and doesn't list champion kazoo player unless it's relevant to the role.
Like if I was wanting to be one of the circus characters in Hunchback of Notre Dame, would that be when I could put that I am a national kazoo player?
Exactly. And that headshot, it should look like you on your best day, not like your long lost cousin who once dabbled in modeling. Professional, current, and smiling like you know a secret. The goal is to be easily identified by the director or casting team. Be easily recognizable so they can easily refer to you when talking about the roles.
Oh, so like if I wear glasses, should I take the glasses off for the picture or should I leave them on because I'm going to wear the glasses to the audition?
You'll want to leave them on if that's what you're going to wear for your audition. Audition day, the grand event. And rule number 1, get there early. Not just on time early, but I could have built a small fort in the waiting room early. Give yourself time for traffic, a bathroom run, that breakfast burrito that you wanted to try, or an unexpected craving for a pre-audition snack. Being rushed produces anxiety.
Which you probably have enough of if you're auditioning.
Being calm and collected, that's your superpower. Use the extra time to breathe, stretch, and maybe even scare off the competition with your dazzling smile.
Thank you, James, for joining us. So there you have it, from choosing your material to owning the room. Now you're armed with the knowledge to conquer any audition. Go forth and shine, you magnificent actors. Teachers, please like and share so I can continue making content. Becky, what are you handing me during the auditions? Your resume just says actor's resume template and does not have your name on it. Did you know you were supposed to edit this? All right, I guess we'll make a part 2.